Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your Google Chrome app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on manage your Google account. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on personal info here. When you just click here on personal info, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, then you click here on email, click on it here. So then you just click here on here recover email, just click on it here. So when you just click on it here, you click here on continue to here to confirm that's your email. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to change your email here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.